is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, say it clear, I've staked my case, so which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this I did in my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this I did in my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and that's the time, and did it my way. I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all